681, that's what the PAT has come in at versus the ET now expectation of 660. So that is better. The stock, of course, spiked up and then again it's now beginning to flatten out. Let's see what the other numbers as well are like. 681, that's the only figure I have in terms of their PAT performance as of now. Let's see what the other comparables as well look like. Revenues, we're expecting them to come in lower by about almost 2.5%. So let's wait and watch. Our 10,900 crore rupees is what the ET Now poll is penciling in. Margins as well, we're seeing an uptick. 11.6% is what we're expecting. 10,620. So that's a little lower than what we were expecting. 10,900 crore rupees is what the ET Now poll was pricing it to come in at. What about the margins? Let's see what the margins as well have come in at. 681 is where the PAT has come in, which is a little higher than the ET Now estimates, and it's the top line which has come in a little lower than our estimates. And cut across to Mr. R.C. Bhargav first.
Board decision which we took today regarding the Gujarat expansion project. As you know, we had acquired land for expansion of our manufacturing facilities in Gujarat in 2011. And we had subsequently been going slow on starting work there. The primary reason being the somewhat depressed market conditions. Now, two things have happened. One is we feel that having completed the third line of expansion at Manesar and having therefore no more possibilities of expansion in Manesar available, and looking at the fact that it will take 2.5 to 3 years to commission any new capacity in Gujarat, we felt, the board decided that this is now the appropriate time to start work on the expansion facilities in Gujarat. The second thing which happened recently was that we received a proposal or an offer from SMC Japan that the Gujarat project could be done through a Suzuki-owned subsidiary. And that subsidiary would function as a contract manufacturer for Maruti, meaning that we would indicate what products should be manufactured, in what quantities, and they would be manufactured and supplied to us. The subsidiary would not sell products to anybody else. It would be only for Maruti. I'll explain a little bit more about what happened. Now, the original intention, as you know, was that Maruti would do the expansion project. We had the funds to do it. And prima facie, that seemed to be a very good option. But as I will explain to you now, the option which Suzuki gave us was even a better option than that. And therefore, today the board has accepted the proposals from Suzuki. Of course, there will be some further negotiations when we finalize the contract for this business. But fundamentally, it's a much more attractive proposition than what our own investment would have been. And for that reason, the board has accepted that the Gujarat project would be done by Suzuki through a 100% owned subsidiary company.